Thomas. My man Pete hooked me up with this reggae joint. I've been waiting for this one for a while, homie. Yeah. Now I rep the red, the gold, and the green, but I'm not a Rastafari, cause I'm not a prince to be praised. I only praise the Most High. You know I go spot all that greenery and having dreadlocks. To rep the weed is not what they mean to me, and I don't mean to be mean, but I don't rep Selassie as the Father, the Son, or even close to either one. I see him as the man who tried to bring unity to Africa's door, a follower of Christ, but you label him as more. And I'll be honest, man, I really love the unity that I've seen in every Rastafarian community. It's beautiful, there ain't nothing like it in our steeples, so I'll take the love and bring it to my people.
I traveled on my road in a very strange place. My soul is all in your control. The black sheep of the tribe. I traveled on my road in a very strange place. My soul is all in your control. The black sheep of the dreadlock.
Abyssinian, many of them spoke of the words Selassie wrote when I was up in Ethiopia. I loved it, stayed in Shashamene where it all began, debating with the Rastas on the daily in the motherland. Took me to Numbers chapter 6. We talked about the Nazarite vow and how they still follow it legit. We don't agree on everything, but man, I respect the code of ethics and how they held it down and repped it every second. Ras Halu, he took me in his home and gave me food for my stomach, also food for my dome. I've never seen a group of people that was so devout. It took my mustard seed faith, watered it and made it sprout. So I remain the black sheep of the dreadlocks, like George Jetson, spending an hour up in bedrock. I don't fit, and that's something that I face. Black, my identity lies in Christ, I will embrace that.
I traveled on my road in a very strange place. My soul is all in your control. The black sheep of the dreadlock. I traveled on my road in a very strange place. My soul is all in your control. The black sheep of the dreadlock.
Ethiopia, rock on. Trinidad and Tobago, rock on. To my man Ross Charles, rock on. All my soca warriors, rock on. Oceanside, California, rock on. Repeat 23, rock on. Everybody up in earth culture, rock on. Agents of the Most High, rock on.